Hello, this is Scott and welcome to your virtual video walk around of the 2017. This is the Ford Escape. Stock number is 7232. Take notice of the exterior condition of this Escape. As you can tell, we have a lot of used Escapes in our inventory, as you can see in the distance. But no scratches, no dents, no dings. Absolutely impeccable. This vehicle obviously comes with warranty protection for life. Making our way around. Absolutely flawless. No dings, no scrapes, no dents. This vehicle has had a 150-point vehicle inspection. Leather interior, of course. Ample legroom. Do you like the leather? Look at the moonroof. You can see everywhere out there. And as we make our way around, automatic transmission. Easy access to controls up front. Very comfortable sitting situation. So for more information on this Escape or any others that we have in our inventory, call us, email us, or text us. Better yet, come on down. We look forward to meeting you, earning your business, and saving you money. On behalf of Sunset Ford, this is Scott Tanner saying make it a great day. Take care.